Today we're showing you a 2012 John Deere 4105 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor, has 41 horsepower, has just over 150 hours on it. The tractor looks, runs, and drives like new. This is prior to all the Tier 4 emissions, so the tractor does not have any of the Tier 4 emissions on it. Comes with the John Deere 300CX quick attach front loader. That is the heavier loader for these tractors. It is also quick attach. The bucket itself also is quick attach. It's got a 5-foot bucket on it, which barely shows any wear. Paint looks new in the tractor. It's got the front grill guard on it. Tires barely show any wear. Still have the little pips in between the treads there. The back tires, you still have the tire size imprinted on the tread so that you can see how much that tire is worn, barely worn at all. It's got the Canopy top on it. Cup holder here in the fender. 3-point hitch, 540 PTO, top link goes with it. Paint's not all flaked or chipped. It's a very, very clean tractor. And again, prior to all the Tier 4 emissions, it's got 2 ranges, also has the hydrostat transmission, so it's got the dual pedals over there to the right. Got your loader control, also your 3-point control to the right. To the left, you got your, again, your range lever, and then your 4-wheel drive engagement lever and your differential lock. Very, very clean tractor. Show you the tag here. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.